What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're gonna make Immunity Boost Smoothie, and so first of all, I'm gonna show you what you need. You will need first ice. Here you go, a lot, and ginger, which looks like a chicken leg, and big orange, and small orange, and a banana, and regular yogurt. Salt for the flavor, and raw honey, and let's start. First of all, you will need the carrots right here. So let's get this. Carefully, take a little bit and put it in, like I'm doing. So I'm not. Okay, I'm just gonna put the whole thing. Then, hello, let's use banana. This is our last banana. Good thing we have one. Okay, I'm just gonna take out the peel. We don't need the peel. Very big banana. There you go. Oop. There. We need yogurt. 5 spoons. Big spoon. Like this big. Okay. Cut in half. Not the whole thing. The secret is we're gonna pull with the peel. Now some of y'all thinking that ain't good, but it is. Okay, cut this one. Now, yogurt. 5 spoons. Small piece of ginger. Cause we don't, it's gonna taste bad if we just put the whole thing like. Okay. Imagine I just put the whole thing. Squeeze. Ice time. We're gonna close it tight. Remember? My hand's open it. This is delicious. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and turn on the notifications and comment.
Something happened with our microphone while we were recording, so we're doing a voiceover. Thank you for watching. Bye.